All right, gang, I want to show you a fun little option if you've got some young kids and you want to have a fun art day or teach them to paint or anything like that. This is great for toddlers. These are 12 Tempera paint sticks made by Funcils. What makes these a little bit different is, you know, when you're painting with young kids, typically there's a big mess. You get the water, you get the paint, it's everywhere. Well, that can be fun. Sometimes you want it a little bit easier, and that's where these come in. What these are, they are paint sticks, and so they operate kind of like a glue stick, where you've got the paint right here on a twist thing, so that as you need more, you can unroll more. So there's plenty in here, but the paint glides on nice and smooth, like a paint stick or a crayon, and it's super bright, super vibrant. They're so easy to use and uncap, but the best part is they're clean. Like they are washable. They are a paint, so it can get on things, but it's again washable, so it can wash right out. But it's not super messy. You can rub it right out, wash it right out. Plain and easy. Each of these paint sets come with 12 vibrant colored sticks and dark black as well to make art projects, coloring projects, very nice and easy. And this works on a lot of things, not just paper. You can use it on popsicle sticks. You can use it on different craft things. I actually saw somebody use them on pumpkins one time as a fun way to do faces on pumpkins. So, man, your imagination is the limit here. If you're looking for something that's great for young toddlers, these are very wide, easy to grip. It's not going to get a lot of mess everywhere. It's easy to clean up. It's very washable, and it comes with a lot of fun, bright colors that aren't going to run out quickly. So if you're looking for a good art project this summer for your kid, man, pick these up. I think they'll be a fun addition to your art kits.